Melissa from Melissa's Creations, and today we are going to make this adorable panda card, and it has a very simple but cute saying, "We need to hang out more." I thought that was really appropriate because the little panda is hanging from his balloon. We just did a little bit of really basic coloring with our blender pen and some of the 1618 ink colors. So I can't wait to show you how I made this beautiful card. Let's get started. So we're going to start this video off by taking a piece of very vanilla cardstock. Now this is a standard card base and it measures 5.5 by 8.5, scored in the middle at 4 1/4. We're going to fold it in half and give that a crease with our bone folder. And we're going to take the adorable party pandas. This is a sale-a-bration set, which means that the only way you can get it is for free by placing a $50 order in the US. We're using this adorable little panda here who is floating away on his little balloon. So I have my archival Stampin' pad in basic black. We're going to ink him up. Get him nice and dark ink on there, and then we're going to stamp that right in the middle, kind of up a little bit. So give that a second to sit in that ink, and there we go. And then we're going to take the sentiment, "We need to hang out more." Now this is from the Occasion stamp set in the trees, and here it is right here. Such a fun stamp set, lots of different things that you can do with that. But that's the sentiment we're using, so we're going to ink that up in the archival black as well. And we're just going to stamp that right underneath him. Just like that. So I'm using 2 of my Stampin' Write markers from the 2016-2018 ink colors. I have Flirty Flamingo and Dapper Denim. I'm going to take one of my clear acrylic blocks, and this is the D block. I'm just going to kind of clean off a side of that block with the microfiber cloth. So get that kind of nice and clean. I'm going to take the thick side or the marker side of my blue, and I'm just going to color some of that onto my acrylic block. Then you can either do this step with a blender pen, which is what I'm going to use right now, or you can also use an aqua painter. But if you do the aqua painter, I do recommend using a watercolor paper. It just works a little bit better with that much water. I'm going to pick up some of that blue, and I want to put a shadow underneath the panda. And you could even use a lighter color, but I find that I like to use the markers because they come in a pack and it's a very reasonable price. It's a very good tool, and you can use them just like any other inks that you may have. So to clean off your blender pen, I'm simply just running it on a piece of scratch paper. Now I'm going to do the same technique with my Flirty Flamingo, and I'm just going to put some on a block here, and then I'm going to pick some of that up and color in my balloon. And I'm going heavy on the color on one side, and then I'm going to kind of drag it out a little bit as I get to the middle of the balloon. And then I'm going to kind of color in the other side, and don't forget that little bit at the bottom there. There we go. And there we are, creators. There is card number 19 in our series, Clean and Quick Cards. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this card today. You can get all the supplies that you need to make this card on my website at melissascreations.com. Just click on Shop Now and you can get everything that you need. During Sale-a-bration is an awesome time to get that shopping done. Pick up some basic supplies or some adhesives to refill your stock, and at the same time you can earn some awesome free products during Sale-a-bration. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/mcreations and on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the handle @mcreations. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.